Out of great love and the force of his boundless compassion, noble Avalokitesvara generated bodhicitta, the heart of awakening. Seated upon a throne of lotus, sun, and moon, he appeared through the emanation and reabsorption of light from the syllable hrih. He manifests with one face and 4 arms. His first 2 hands are joined in the gesture of prayer. His lower right hand holds a white pearl mala. His lower left a white lotus. His body, white in color, is seated in the full vajra posture, adorned with precious ornaments and a resplendent crown. At his side stand the mother Sadaksari and the father Manidhara. Around him gather countless male and female bodhisattvas, forming a vast retinue. Thus it was spoken: O sons and daughters of noble family, whether you recite my mantra but once, whether you hold it in your heart with steady recollection, or write it down and carry it upon your body, if done with faith and devotion, you will purify the 5 gravest misdeeds and the negative actions that are almost as grave. You will be freed from the 3 lower realms and the 8 situations that are inopportune for Dharma practice. You will never again be born into suffering. All harm from humans, non-humans, and wild beasts will be pacified. You will be released from all illnesses and obstructing influences. Om Mani Padme Hum. By reciting this sacred mantra, you shall behold the face of noble Avalokitesvara, and at the end of this life you will be reborn in the pure land of Sukhavati. Have no hesitation, uncertainty, or doubt about this truth. This concludes the Dharani of noble Avalokitesvara.